Some days, this is exactly how it starts. You show up when you do not feel ready. Your body feels tired. Your mind is already making excuses. And honestly, quitting would be easy. But then you take one step, then another. And somewhere between not feeling motivated and choosing to move anyway, something starts to shift. I'm learning that motivation does not always come before the workout. The workout is what helps the motivation finally show up. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm building a life around travel, creativity, and adventure. And today, that starts with one simple choice: moving even when I don't feel motivated. Let's start with lowering the starting point. Sometimes we make working out feel too big before we even begin. We think we need the perfect routine, the perfect energy, or long workout for it to count. But when I think that way, it becomes easier to talk myself out of starting. So I make the first step smaller. I tell myself, just get dressed, drive to the gym, do one machine, try 10 minutes to see how you feel. For me, once I start, usually I do more than I thought I would. But even if I do not, I still kept my promise to myself. And that matters because progress is not always about doing everything. Sometimes progress is simply not giving up on yourself completely. The second thing that helps me stay motivated is remembering my purpose. Because when I only focus on how I look, I can get discouraged really fast. Results take time. Some days I do not see the change. Some days I don't even feel the change. And that can make me want to stop. So I have to remind myself that this is bigger than one workout. This is not just about my body. Again, it's about my energy, my confidence, my future, and the person I am becoming. The third idea that helps me is staying focused on how I would feel after. Because before the workout, I may have felt tired. I felt distracted, unmotivated. But after I move, something usually shifts. My mind feels clear, my mood feels better, my body feels more awake, and I leave with evidence that I did something for myself. That feeling matters. So when I do not feel like starting or I'm not motivated, I ask myself, how do I want to feel after this? Not how do I feel right now? How do I want to feel later? That question helps me move past the emotion of the moment because motivation can change from day to day. But the feeling after movement reminds me why it is worth showing up. The lessons I'm learning is that motivation is helpful, but it cannot be the whole plan. Some days motivation will be there, some days it will not. So the real goal is to create a way to move even when motivation is low. Lower the starting point. Remember your real purpose. Focus on how you will feel later. That is how I am learning to keep going. Not perfectly, not every day with excitement, but with small actions that help me build trust in myself again. So let me know in the comments what helps you move when you do not feel motivated. And if you are also building a life with more courage, creativity, and adventure, subscribe and come along for the journey. Until next time, start where you are, use what you have, and keep moving forward.